people ask, hey, how did you guys come up with this type of instant data? Is there like a GIS server that you are hooked into? The answer is AI and the conflation power of our AI engine. We are collecting data from public domain into multiple GIS platforms, vector data that's there, GeoPDFs, permits, you name it. Then we are also validating that data with actual pixels. We are looking at the satellite images, we are looking at the street view, and we have our hierarchy algorithm where if we see a mark from a satellite view versus we see indication in a GeoPDF, the mark from a satellite view gets way more weightage than indication from GeoPDF. And then we conflate all that data. Not only we do it one time, but we keep that data maintained. We have all these connections to publicly available data sources. So if they update, we have a pipeline to keep on updating our data. So your data is not one time collected and stale, but it's constantly updated and as evergreen as technically possible at this point of time.
That's so important too, because as we all know, there's just more and more stuff going in the ground every day. It's wild how quickly the subsurface changes.
Yeah, you are spot on. And that type of feature, we have a tier called advanced data tier, which is more like a professional service where we have actual geoanalyst further verifying the data, adding more lines. And the point that you have raised, they go through, let's say, like 50 years of satellite records to make sure what was dug last week and what was dug 30 years ago. Both of those lines or all those lines are part of our data that we are delivering.